So what is it, Nick?
Yeah. It's I don't know.
Try and describe what this new one that you're building does.
It's a bit like a pipe. It resonates sounds similar to a pipe, like a drain pipe. If you listen to that. Wait, that sounds a bit like a pipe.
What does the signal coming out of your synthesizer sound like without this pipe?
I can't switch. I can't do that at the moment.
Okay, could you make the noise with your mouth?
I don't know. I don't even know because I can't hear it.
Okay.
I can try and wire it in. Just see what happens. This is it. This white one. Yeah.
So that's the sound coming from this up here.
Yeah, if that's a brighter sound. That'll sound better when I reconnect it.
So this is an elaborate resonator filter.
Yeah.
Thing that you've got down here.
That's better.
Let's turn that really simple noise into something really resonant and
it's got a sort of natural acoustic quality to the sound.
Yeah. And how did you manage to do that? You can see lots of little
it's a big long chain of filters.
Uh-huh.
Because there's so many, it delays the sound by
okay.
Right there.
And what does that bit there do?
That bit there.
Yeah.
That adjusts the it's here on the circuit diagram.
Okay.
It adjusts the the bias current through this amplifier here.
Okay. So you've got an inbuilt amplifier built into this.
Yeah.
Where's your amplifier?
There.
That's the amplifier. Okay, and that's the bias control. What about this? What about this bit here, hanging here? This little blue bit.
That's a different amplifier that I was testing out.
Uh-huh.
That's similar to the sound you get when you use a slipper on a drain pipe, isn't it?
Yeah.
But this knob here's effectively changing the length of the pipe.
Have you any idea of what you're going to call this one?
No, not yet.
Something pipe based.
No, because there's already a similar product out there that's called the pipe. But mine's different. It does different stuff.
So talk me through the knobs that you've got on there.
This is the feedback. This one's very sensitive. You turn this up too high, it starts ringing. If you have it too low, it doesn't really sound very pipey.
Okay.
It sounds more like a normal filter. So that's like the resonance.
And what's this one on the side? The resonance.
This is the frequency.
Okay.
That's effectively the length of the pipe.
Yeah.
And this one here, you can vary the effective length with an electronic signal. So that's like another frequency modulation input.
This is just a prototype that you're mucking around with. What are you wanting to do with it next?
Well, just get everything right. It's nearly finished.
Okay. So what more is there to do with it? What tweaks is there still to do? Do you like the size of it? Would you like to make it smaller, or?
Yeah, it needs to be smaller. You can see there's a lot of empty space in there.
Yeah. Cool. I'll stop it.
Okay. My nails on the belt handle.
Yeah, go for it. Here's Nick in his workshop. Here you can see his little engraver, his pillock drill. More toys and things in there. Vacuum cleaner, old tape delay I can see there. Very organised with the wrenches and clamps in there. And then we have the pliers in the next one. Different types of solder, types of wire, drills, files in that next section. Don't know what that is. Sketchbooks, Dremel multi, lots of other things. New protectors, exercise bike, trampoline, polystyrene, guitars. And yeah, what are you going to demonstrate now?
I'm going to fire my nails.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. What's that? Is that a cot?
Yeah, a cot that I made.
Wow, that's gorgeous.
Took me a year.
To make that. And Lucy liked it?
Yeah.
Wow, it's beautiful. So what have you used there? You've got
Bamboo.
lovely bits of bamboo, and what have you made the wood around the edge from?
It's bamboo floorboards.
Crikey, that's gorgeous. Wow, I'm impressed.
But I don't know what to do with it now.
Yeah. Have you got any of your brothers or anything like this got little kids who'd appreciate it?
Yeah, but it doesn't meet safety standards because children can climb out of it.
Okay.
Because Lucy did climb out of that.
Yeah, you can maybe put an electric fence or something around the top of it. And what's here wrapped in this big thing of bubble wrap?
Oh, that's it's not mine.
All right.
It's for the garden.
Any more stuff up the top? Look, oh, there's the old one. Do you want to get that down? No? Okay. It's a nice old rusty antique. It's a heritage electronics there, where it all began. Anything else in these boxes you want to talk about? That's an old aborted project. Ooh, there's your old Noah's Ark painting.
Yeah.
So yeah, Nick was going to do this as a giant mural, but he decided not to do it in the end, and I ended up doing this painting. But this was Nick's original design. It's a beautiful painting. Let's get in there. Can we see the crocodiles in here? Snap, snap, snap. And you can see the little black cats on the roof saying meow. There's a lovely happy sun there with a big smiley face. Hello! Who have we got? Moo, say the cows. Oh, look at the monkeys. Woo, woo, woo. Grrr, says the tigers. Says the snakes. Look, there's Mr. and Mrs. Noah, very much in love, ready to start the new world. Big drops of rain and a lovely palm tree. There's the little mice, and they say, what do they say, Nick? What do the mice say? What about the spiders?
I don't know, they're not.
They're not that vocal. What else have you got? Ultra cleansing. It's all fascinating. Brill. Okay.
What?
That'll do. A couple other things I wanted to point out. This is damage from Nick's old pet rabbit here. Very dangerous on the cable here. Don't approve of that at all. I think it's nice to catch the detail of the electronics here and these. How many four-way adapters running off each other have we got here, Nick? Hang on, from one plug socket. Where does it come from the wall? We've got one, 2, 3 running off the wall there. From running off each other.
Yeah, but the total current consumption is quite low.
Yeah. Okay. Take your word for it.